Hey, how you doing? This is Sai, and I'm back with another video for you. And today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing versus ecom dropshipping, and which is the simpler and easier one. Okay, so if you're exploring on what type of online business to start, and one of them is either you're thinking about is affiliate marketing or ecom dropshipping, then this video may shed some insights into each one and even help you decide which one you would prefer to engage in. Okay, so affiliate marketing, ecom dropshipping are both fantastic, profitable business models in their own right. However, they both have their own differences and benefits and disadvantages. In this video, we're going to take a look at both. We're going to look at the advantages. We're going to look at each of the disadvantages and then find out which is easier, and so that you can have some idea on whether to start, any of them. All right, so affiliate marketing, where you simply recommend another person's or company's products and earn commissions when that person you recommended the products and they buy something from based on your recommendations. Right. Dropshipping is where you source products from a reseller or a product owner, a manufacturer, for example, and even a wholesaler, and then you sell those products to people, to an audience, through advertising, through marketing, and they, once you make a sale, they drop ship those products to your customer directly from the supplier. Okay, so that means you don't have to stock any products physically or handle any inventory or logistics side of things. So that's one of the benefits of drop shipping. Okay, so to be honest, they both are not difficult to do. However, they both have one thing in common, which is they require you to put in work. Okay, in other words, they are nowhere near any type of get rich quick schemes or whatever. Okay, so some main advantages of affiliate marketing are that it's a low investment business. Okay, you can get started with just a few $100s. Profit margins can be very high as well, as you can earn commissions of up to 100% in some cases. Okay, you can earn multiple commissions from the same customer when they buy, as you have the potential to earn from upsells and upgrades on the point of transaction. You don't have to handle any products, provide pre-sales services or after-sales customer services. You can work from home or anywhere as long as you have a computer, a laptop, and an internet connection. You have the possibility of earning residual commissions on a monthly basis on some affiliate products. Okay, so your focus in affiliate marketing is on a few key aspects. Okay, which is to generate traffic, get visitors looking at your offers, building your email list. Okay, and of course communicating with your email list. Some main disadvantages of affiliate marketing is that some products, mainly physical ones, if you do decide to promote them, they pay out very low commissions. Okay, in some cases 5 to 10%, even less sometimes, and you're required to write various forms of content, for example creating marketing pages such as review pages, landing pages, value driven pages, etc. Okay, in some cases you're also limited to what you can promote depending on your niche that you choose, and basically depending on the niche, of course, if you choose a popular niche, then of course you'll have more products, more choice on what you can promote. Some main advantages of dropshipping now. Okay, so with dropshipping, you don't have to physically handle any products, so no inventory or management required. Very low cost investment compared to traditional businesses. For example, you don't need no retail warehouse building, you don't need to lease or rent anything like that. You can start from home or even a small office space. You just need a few online tools and resources to get you started, such as domain name, a specialist ecom website builder such as a Shopify software, and some budget for advertising. You have a wide variety of choice of products that you can sell from literally thousands of products available to you. Some main disadvantages of dropshipping: you have to deal with the entire customer journey. Okay, i.e. keep your customers up to date throughout their purchase, even provide after sales customer service. You have to address and deal with refunds and returns, in some way. However, some shipping suppliers do have facilities in place to deal with these, but you have no control over delivery and logistics of the the buying. So potentially you can get late, your customers can get late deliveries of products, which in effect, or even no deliveries sometimes, which in effect affects your reputation as a business. There's more to do in terms of mechanics and moving parts of running a dropshipping business. Okay, so for example, you're responsible for creating sales pages, sourcing products, finding suppliers, communicating with suppliers, dealing with customer services, inquiries, returns, etc. The profit margins could turn out very low in some cases because you're leveraging someone else's inventory, storage and shipping services. So there's a cost to pay, and that's usually offset from the profit margins. So basically, in these circumstances, it may be difficult to get a positive return on investment from your advertising due to low profit margins. So that's some of the limitations and disadvantages of dropshipping. So which is easier, dropshipping or affiliate marketing? So whilst they are both great business models for anyone to start, and having differing benefits on each side, I personally believe in comparison with dropshipping, affiliate marketing turns out easier to get started with. Okay, here's some reasons why affiliate marketing is a great business for someone who would like a simple, easy to operate business online. So you don't have to deal with anything logistics or customer service related. For example, no need to place orders with your supplier, chase up process refunds, provide tracking information, etc. I understand there are apps like Oberlo, when it comes to dropshipping, that automate some of the sales process. But in there, you're still responsible overall. Okay, so for example, if a customer hasn't received the product in the timeline that was provided, they will contact your company, just customer services, and you will be responsible chasing this up and dealing with it, from the suppliers and all that. I'm not saying that it's a bad thing in any way, doing all this in dropshipping business, but to make money in any venture, you need to carry out necessary activities that are required, for the business environment that you're in. But what I'm saying is that dropshipping requires you to handle some more responsibility and work in comparison to an affiliate marketing business, in which case you don't need to, handle any logistics and customer services. In affiliate marketing, you can earn much higher profit margins per sale, commission-wise, especially with digital products. Digital products usually can pay on average, 30 to 70% commission. Sometimes, as I said, 100% on sometimes product launches. With high profit, you earn more with less amount of work. Earning a decent commission also enables you to scale your marketing as you have some cash flow coming in for you to reinvest some of it in your business to grow it even more. In comparison to dropshipping, some products will have low profit margins, and you don't have to stock the products. The dropshipping company will therefore likely to offer you low profit per sale, as they need to cover their cost and stocking and logistics. So this means you may have to sell a lot more, to make a decent income. As a result of more transaction, it will likely to bring you more work for you. So that's dropshipping. Okay. With affiliate marketing, you can earn ongoing monthly residual commissions. With affiliate marketing, there are some offers out there that pay you ongoing residual commissions based on one-off sales. So these products are typically membership online software services where you pay a monthly fee. So when you make one sale, for example, you can earn ongoing monthly residual even after you make that one sale, as long as the customer remains a member. With dropshipping, unfortunately, earning residual commissions is not possible, as you only get paid the one-time profits on each sale. So affiliate marketing has less day-to-day operations and less responsibility in comparison to dropshipping. For example, no dealing with supplies, customer services, processing refunds, tracking information, returns and all that. So your main focus in affiliate marketing is to generate traffic, build your email list, communicate with your list by providing value, trust and likeness, and building likeness and trust, and generally marketing your affiliate products through proven strategies, which you can easily learn from people that have already been there, done that, and succeeded. Affiliate marketing also allows you to focus on becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. I'm sure you'll agree that marketing is a skill that is needed to succeed in any business out there, because if you can master marketing, you can sell products, which in turn, of course, makes you money. With affiliate marketing, as marketing will be your main focus, you can eventually become a better and great at marketing products. You learn a valuable income producing skills such as copywriting, email marketing, traffic generation, conversions, and much more. With dropshipping, you have to have a hand in all aspects of the business overall. For example, sourcing supplies, products, sales, marketing, customer services. In a way, it can be a good thing as you learn more about running a general business, but you must be willing to do all that, put in the work. If you want something that is less hands-on and more hands-free, then I think affiliate marketing would be more suitable in this case. But please don't mistake this for thinking that affiliate marketing is a walk in the park type business, because it's not. You still have to put in the work and hours in the affiliate marketing business, trust me. But in terms of ease, I'd say it's easier than dropshipping. Okay, I may be wrong. People will, say I'm wrong or whatever, but it's just in my opinion, right? Affiliate marketing can provide passive and residual income depending on how you structure and configure your affiliate marketing business. You can potentially automate many parts of your business and earn true passive residual income. For example, email communication marketing system, which you can insert your affiliate promotions when those emails go out, in predetermined times with links to your affiliate promotion and marketing pages. You can literally earn income 24/7, 365 days a year, whilst you go about your daily life without you being on the computer all the time. In addition, as mentioned, you can also promote products that pay you residual income and integrate them in your marketing, so you get to earn residual income in a passive way. Affiliate marketing is more of a lifestyle, work when you want type business. You can certainly work when you want and where you want, and it's a performance-based business. The more work you put in terms of promoting your products, the more you can potentially earn. With dropshipping, it's more of a hands-on approach, sometimes where you will have to regularly keep monitor of the customer service and sales processes, transactions. For example, if there's an issue with the order, you have to deal with it as soon as possible, communicate with your supplier, customers, and all that. With affiliate marketing, there's no need to do all that, and this is all handled by the vendor and owner of the product. Affiliate marketing allows you to leverage also done for you plug and play marketing systems. This is a fantastic benefit which allows you to literally plug and play another person's profitable affiliate marketing business systems. So that's very one of the big benefits of affiliate marketing. Okay, so basically, when it comes to leveraging other people's system, you can basically save, it saves you time and money, as you already have an instant affiliate funnel business, that you can just tap into and start earning commissions. So if you're interested in one of these, done for you affiliate products, affiliate marketing funnels, you can check them. I've actually had included some, one of them in my free affiliate success resources, which you can get your hands on. I'll put a link in the description below. It allows you to earn from 2 residual commissions products, and also one, actually 3 in total earnings you can earn from one funnel. Okay, so yeah, conclusion, as you can see, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is an easier business to do, as you have less responsibility, less day-to-day operation to deal with. In addition, there are opportunities to earn higher profit and residual commissions in affiliate marketing, which is not possible with dropshipping. I'm not saying in any way that discouraging dropshipping, because dropshipping has opened up an opportunity for people with low budget to start their own businesses and earn income. I'll be honest, I may even consider dropshipping in the future as something related to marketing, as it involves aspects of marketing products, whether it's your own or having others having to dropship for you. So for now, I'm just focusing on affiliate marketing right now, and may consider it in future. So coming back to the topic, if you want something that is simpler and easy to run, then I will start with affiliate marketing and focus on, as it allows you to focus on lesser aspects of running the business in comparison to dropshipping. Okay, so that's it for now, and I think it's up to summarize. I think affiliate marketing is the easier and simpler business model to go for, as there are less moving parts and mechanics in day-to-day operations, combined with ability to earn high commissions and tap into done for your marketing systems. With that said, if you're interested in in some affiliate marketing resources, training and stuff, do check out my free resources, affiliateship.com/free. Thanks for watching, and thank you. Bye bye.